Are you tired of losing your saved books on Blinkist automatically? In this video, I will show you how to stop Blinkist app from deleting your books step by step so you can keep your library intact and continue reading without interruptions. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Blinkist app. In this first page, you will go to above to the sign of settings. So you will tap on settings. After that, here on this window, you will find this page as you see of playback settings, and then you will find here auto-delete audio on completion. So you will click here to disable this feature of auto-delete to stop Blinkist app from deleting your books, as you see here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.